Hey everybody. Some of you expressed some interest in seeing how to sharpen one of the self-feeding drill bits. It's actually pretty easy, it takes a little bit of patience, but you can get them just as sharp and great as new in most cases. This is a bad boy. I think I've had this one forever and a day. It's a old school, what is this? A 2 and 9, I think. 2 and 9/16. It's an old Milwaukee. It's seen its better days. It needs to be sharpened up, especially for going through this hard wood. But look at the edges. First thing you're gonna do, take the set screw out of it. By the way, how you like my shirt? Obviously, I've eaten plenty of this to get a body like this. But figured. Okay, good. That actually unscrewed a lot easier than I thought it would. Let me show you how to get this out real quick. Especially if the top out plumbers who use these things a lot, I mean, getting these self-feeding bits out there can be a real nightmare. But let me show you a real easy way that I found. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, this is my work station, so I would just stab it in the top, kind of screw it in a little bit. And then pull right up on it. Almost always it'll pull right out. Sometimes you have to struggle a little bit or get it to go in further. But that'll pop that out and get the self-feeding part of it out of there so you can do the sharpening that you need to. You want to take just slow, easy strokes at this. I chose a rectangular or a triangle file. These are really, really effective to sharpen these. Now, some folks use different things like Dremels and such. That's also a good way as long as you can control what you're doing. And also, too, if you have a vise, it'll definitely make it easier. I used to do these on the job whenever I was topping out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, right here, you want this to be, a 90 degree if at all possible. You can see how I sharpened the edges right here to where these, I'm not sure what angle those are. I just follow the old original angle. And the more I look at this may be one of my really old ones. I've had some of these bits for like 30 years. This one's getting really, you can see how much I've sharpened it over the years. So I'm going to hit that and square that up now. Just make sure they're square. Okay. Last but not least, I'm just going to dress this, the edge that actually does the shaving out when it cuts. Now be careful on this part. This is a spot that you slip off, you can really cut yourself. You can see right here where I still need to hit it just a little bit more. There we go. And that is pretty much the way you're going to want it. This is that area I was working on so much right here, trying to knock that off, but it's still really sharp, even as old as this thing is. You can see all these. You see the angle's gone back a little more than what it should have over the years as I've sharpened it. This one will still be pretty darn good though. Time to go give it a try. I'm gonna put my self-feeding bit back in there and go hook it up to a monster right angle drill and see what this will do. And it's ready to go through some wood.